Hey YouTube, Untamed here. So today I ended up swapping out this guy right here. If you recall, it's upside down, so it's not showing you too well. This is the RC4 front bull bumper that I ended up putting on the white 4Runner here. So I put that on it, but I decided, it wasn't necessarily my thing, and if you guys recall, I did the video of that. I half expected GoRhino to be maybe not too thrilled about my honest take on the bumper there, the bull bar, but no, they were super cool. Say, hey, no, we appreciate you giving your honest feedback on it, and we didn't give it to you for you to lie and paint it to be the best bumper in the world, but we appreciate your feedback. So because of that, we're going to send you this one. So they sent me this. This is the RC3 front bumper. So kind of give you a little side look there. Forgive me, the sun is starting to go down out here, so it's a little dark. But as you can see, it's pretty much just a step. So you have a front bumper, has a little bit of protection underneath it, which is cool. It has a slit for a light bar, an LED light bar right here, which is neat. Similar to the RC4 over there. They both have that. But the intent of this is really, especially if you have like a lifted 4Runner, I could see this being pretty beneficial, being able to step on that and actually look in your engine bay and work on your 4Runner. So I can see that being a better function, of better use, I should say. But I think I like the look of it a little bit better than the other one, if I'm being honest, just because it doesn't scream bull bar, right? Whereas the other one, it comes up to here. A lot of you were asking if it interfered with the Toyota Safety Sense, the adaptive cruise control, the radar here, and it didn't. So I mean, we have driven it probably 4 or 5 times on the freeway, and I used it each time, and it didn't malfunction or anything goofy for me. So at least that was my experience. So no issues there with the other bumper there, bull bar. I keep calling them bumpers. But I'll kind of give you a look. So I don't know how I feel about this. So I love the step. I think that's cool. I like the function of that. But right here, there's just, I feel like there's a lot of space in here for gunk, debris, road debris, little rocks, whatever, to fill up in here, almost like a shovel throughout time. Again, I just put it on, so I don't know what this will look like as you drive it day to day. But that'd be my knee-jerk concern about it. But again, I could probably follow up with you guys, of course, on that. I'll show you underneath it. Forgive me, I know the lighting isn't ideal. So that's how far away it sits from the front bumper, and that right there you can adjust. And I'll kind of show you down below here where you can adjust it to make it a little bit further out, a little bit closer in. I didn't want to get too close for obvious reasons, not to mess up the actual bumper. Alright, so this is what it looks like underneath. Again, this is for the light bar. But this material here is I don't know, it's a hard plastic. So it's not metal or anything. I think really it's included and implemented for the sake of better aerodynamics, if you will. So it's not just a huge parachute right up front. So the air will flow a little bit better. So like a hard plastic, of course you can remove it and have it be free flow, if you will. I'll show you. Let me see here. Sorry guys, I know it's kind of dark. Let's see if we can see it. So you can't really see it because it's covered to some degree. But this right here, this is the actual bracket mount holding up to the actual vehicle, the bumper mount of the vehicle. Then underneath, sorry, I know it's a little, so underneath here, where you actually attach the bull bar to the actual bracket, is right underneath here. So it takes a little bit of finesse, if you will, to actually mount it up to the bracket there. So what I did was I had the brackets halfway mounted to where they could swing freely downward. Then I mounted the actual bull bar to it with the bull bar hanging down, if you will. And then I pulled it up to where I wanted it to be, and then I tightened the top bolt. So, and perhaps I'll show you a little bit better, better lighting day. But I wanted to at least share this with you and get your get your initial feedback, if you will. So with the old one, I'm going to be putting it on the Voodoo Blue. As you guys know, I have sold this one. The title just came in the mail, so fortunately we're able to get this over to the new owner. The new owner has been extremely patient in waiting for it. Like I said, they put $1,000 down for us to hold it for them. They're pretty excited about it. So it finally came in the mail. I figured, for the sake of, it's like a small token appreciation for them actually being patient and waiting for the thing for like a month plus. I'm gonna throw in this RC4 for them. So we'll be slapping that guy onto this, and I already asked them if they would like it, and of course they're like, heck yeah. So we'll see how it looks on the Voodoo Blue here too. Other than that, I just wanted to show that to you and get your initial thoughts. I'm expecting, again, like always, a lot of people have mixed reviews on these, and as I've made clear before too, I'm not necessarily in love with the idea of bull bumpers, because I do think they kind of take away from like the approach angle, blah 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 blah, stuff that I've already listed off before. But this one I think is a little bit more subtle, which is goodness. We'll wrap up the video with a taco feature, because I feel like I haven't shown this guy much love. But tucked away in here, not getting too many miles recently, but all is good. All right guys, well, I will wrap up the video there. Appreciate you watching. Let me know if you have any questions. Till next time.